2 left feet from all the bourbon, beer, and rum. Tried to be as quiet as a mouse, not one light on in my old house. Just praying to God the wife was still asleep. Finally found my keys and walked inside and staggered down the hall. Juggling picture frames and pot plants bounced on through my bedroom door. Well, I thought I got away with it, and she slept right through it all. But then the lights came on, she was standing there, foot tapping on the floor. Now them storm clouds rolled on in. She got lightning in her eyes and thunder in her voice, saying, "Where the hell you been?" Well, I'm thinking as I'm sinking deeper in this hole I'm digging, made me swear to her I'll never drink again. Well, it wouldn't have been so bad for me, but while she was giving that speech, you see, my brain shut down in the middle of it all, and I passed out on the floor. Nowhere to hide, too drunk to run. Damn your bourbon, beer, and rum. You had your fun with me, but now you're gone and left me here alone. Now them storm clouds rolled on in. She got lightning in her eyes and thunder in her voice, saying, "Where the hell you been?" Well, I'm thinking as I'm sinking deeper in this hole I'm digging, made me swear to her I'll never drink again. Well, after all this time, you think I'd learned my lesson well, but 3 weeks later, same old thing, another stormy night in hell. Bright at the best of times, paid big time for every little crime, and the warden here really loves to rub it in. My thoughts of trying to do the right thing seem to fade away a few drinks in, but come flashing back like a lightning bolt when she greets me at the door. Now them storm clouds rolled on. Never drink again. Now them storm clouds rolled on in. She got lightning in her eyes and thunder in her voice, saying, "Where the hell you been?" Well, I'm thinking as I'm sinking deeper in this hole I'm digging, made me swear to her I'll never drink again. Made me swear to her I'll never drink again.